You're in Nigeria and you want to start investing, you're scared of losing your money, then listen carefully. As an investment banker, I've seen people double their money. And I've seen people lose everything because they didn't understand the basics. But today, I will show you exactly how to start investing in Nigeria as a beginner. Safely and wisely, step 1 is fix your financial foundation first before you invest. Make sure you have no higher interest debt. You have at least 3 to 6 months emergency savings. Then you understand that investing is not gambling. If you invest money, you can't afford to lose. So you will panic when the market moves. If you invest money you can't afford to lose, you will panic when the market moves. So smart investing requires patience. Step 2, understand the types of investments in Nigeria. As a beginner in Nigeria, here are your safest starting options. Number 1 is Treasury Bills. Low risk, backed by the federal government, good for capital preservation, can be bought through banks or investment apps. Number 2 is mutual funds. This is beginner friendly. Your money is pooled with others, managed by professionals. This is great for people who don't understand the stock market. Number 3 is stocks. Higher risk, higher reward. Invest in Nigerian companies like Dangote, GTCO, MTN. Long-term wealth building must understand volatility. Then real estate. This is capital intensive. Land, banking, REITL, that's the real estate investment trust, long-term appreciation. So the step 3 is start small, but start now. You don't need millions. You can start investing in Nigeria with 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira. Consistency matters more than amount. The mistake many Nigerians make is waiting until they have plenty of money. Wealth is built gradually. Step 4, avoid these investment mistakes. As an investment banker, I must warn you. Avoid Ponzi schemes. Avoid double your money in 7 days. Avoid investing because your friend said so. Avoid unregistered platforms. If it sounds too good to be true, it is before investing. Check SEC registration, verify company legitimacy, understand how returns are generated. Step 5, think long term. The Nigerian economy will fluctuate. Inflation will rise and fall. Policies will change. But disciplined investors who invest consistently in diversified assets build wealth over time. Wealth creation is not emotional, it is strategic. Final advice from an investment banker: investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about beating inflation, growing purchasing power, creating financial freedom, building generational wealth. So start small and stay consistent. Stay informed. Your future self will thank you. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.